Hi, welcome to today's fountain pen unboxing. This is Sarah Beth with Pen Chalet, and we are going to dive into a Laban 325 fountain pen. They're known for being a really high quality pen at affordable prices, and the 325 model is one of their best sellers. The Laban 325 collection is full of beautiful acrylic resin pens with one option that is a celluloid, and we'll look at that celluloid version at the very end. First, we'll take a good look at one of the resin options, and this is wisteria. Inspired by wisteria blooms, this pen has a marbled purple acrylic resin, and it's paired with an ivory acrylic cap with a matching section and end cap. The Laban 325 model has a spring metal clip, and it also features a gold medallion with the Laban logo on the finial. All the fountain pens in the Laban 325 fountain pen collection have gold-plated trim and that stainless steel gold-plated nib. And the nib does feature the Laban brand, but it is a number 6 size Jovo nib. These 325 pens are cartridge converter pens, and they take an international standard size ink cartridge or converter, but your pen does come with a converter included with the Laban logo. All 7 of the 325 colorway options are stunning, but this celluloid might be a favorite. The only celluloid option in the collection is the damask, and it is patterned after the traditional damask fabric, rich, intricate patterns, and you can see that in the pine green and burgundy colored pattern of the celluloid. The rest of the design matches the other pens in the 325 collection. I hope you enjoyed checking out the Laban 325 fountain pens with me today. Come back and visit us again for more. Look for us at Pen Chalet on your favorite social media channel so you can follow along and never miss a new pen release again. We're so excited to welcome the Laban pens to our inventory. We haven't had them in stock in quite a while, and they're a really beautiful addition. Let me know in the comments if there's a certain Laban pen you'd like to see featured next, or if there's a certain Laban pen you'd like to see used with a writing sample. Shop your Laban 325 fountain pens at penchalet.com, and keep an eye out because we're going to be posting more Laban unboxing videos in the upcoming week. So if you're a Laban fan, you're going to have a good week.